Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to design this beautiful heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple and quick. So if you are ready, let's create another document. Let's start new and choose landscape like this. Come here. The first thing to do is take the rectangle tool and click once and set it 300 by 300 pixels. Okay, and give it a color of your choice. Let me give it green like this. Okay, the second thing is to rotate it at 45 degrees. You can see, pay attention to it. You can see at my mouse here. Look at how it is ready to be rotate. Start rotating and press shift so it will go to 45 degrees. You can see it is done 45 degrees like this. Okay, the second thing is go to your toolbox and take pen tool, or you can also press P on your keyboard. Okay, keep the object selected, the shape I mean, keep it selected and come to one of the corners here. Okay, press Alt. You can see if you are dragging it like this, you can see the shape is turning to a new thing. Okay, and add shift to it. You can see now, look at the way it is. Shift, Alt Shift. Okay, release it and go to this side. Come to this side, do the same thing. Alt Shift. You can see, look at the guide. Very beautiful. You can see, look at it. So when you are doing it, pay attention to your guide. You can see the guide is saying you are not yet there. So add it to there. So now you can see we are there. Okay, release it and you have your heart shape. You can see it's very beautiful. So subscribe to my channel to keep learning this stuff. It's very beautiful. This is the second one. Let me show you the first one. You can see very beautiful. You can do it as you want. This is very quick, less than 5 minutes. You finish your heart shape. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.